Hello, everyone. This is your girl from My Crafting Hut coming in for her first video of 2025. Hope that everyone had a wonderful new year coming in, and we're going to all look forward to great things for the rest of this year. So, let's go ahead and get started. I just wanted to show y'all a couple of the concepts that I've been working on for Valentine's Day. Now, for Christmas, I really didn't do too much of anything because I had some issues with finding some way to set up. But I did sell some stuff, through word of mouth and through family and other avenues in the community. But street sales, it didn't work for me. But I almost gave up. I almost did. But I decided that I'm going to try Valentine and Mother's Day. And with God willing, with God help, and with my willingness to continue and to make this work, I'm looking forward to. Ooh, I have Vaseline on my lips because my lips are dry. It's cold, y'all. But anyways, I have a pretty good feeling that things are about to turn around for me this year. So, anyways, let's go ahead and get started. These are simple concepts that I put together. This one here is uh, Spa Luxury. Y'all know where those came from, the Dollar Tree. I have two of those in here along. I have the wash as well as the spray, and back there I have the bombs, bath bombs. I put a rose in here, and I put here a little love sponge. That these came from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack, and I have some somewhere here. But yeah, so I am going to put a balloon on here. I'm thinking a balloon. Um, yeah, I'm going to put a balloon on this one. So that's one concept right there. Okay. This other one here, pretty much the same except that I'm using one of the Dollar Tree tumblers. And in here I have, oh, that turned around. Gotta fix that. In here I have the Spa Luxury. Yeah, I gotta fix those. Okay. I have a rose. And I have a chocolate rose right here. And what I did, because I have a spray, this is a spray. So what I did was I went ahead and I covered that with some cellophane wrap just to make sure that if anything was to spill, if this was to accidentally fall over and break or anything, whatever the case might be, that the chocolate is protected. So I wanted to make sure I did that. So yeah, that's another simple one. So let's put that over there. Over there. This one, again, I have a lot of Dollar Tree stuff that I have to get rid of. So I have like I said, I have baskets from Christmas, and a lot of them really I don't have to do much with because I didn't put Christmas elements in them per se. Uh, Maybe a couple, and those I think I'll leave. I'll leave them for a while and see what happens. I might decide to just leave them until Christmas again, if well, not if, when that time come around. So yeah, so this is another one that I did, another Spa Luxury, and this time I put a little teddy bear in there. Have a little scrunched up in there, but yeah, but he's in there, and think I need to, yeah. And this, I am going to put, I think I'm going to add some chocolates down in here. Just a couple hard chocolates, loose chocolates. I'm going to drop those in here. And yeah, so that is my other concept. This one, this is a small bag, but yep. Another spa collection along with the strawberry room deodorizer, a rose, and that's it for that one. And now here I have, let's see, this one here. As you can see, another spa collection from the Dollar Tree. And this time I put the little foam hearts there, and I put a little crystal thing in the biggest heart, the larger heart. I put that there just to dress the basket up a little bit. In here we have the body wash, the body powder. We have the, which one is this? Oh, the bath salt. And this came from Dollar General. This is also bath salt. So, oh, I have two of those in there. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that. I like the way it looks. It gives it a little lighter look than some of that, all the darker blue. So I'm gonna leave that there. I do have a bath bomb. In the bottom here, I have papers, and I have this foam board like this that I'm sorry, give me a moment. Yeah, so sorry for the interruption, phone call. But anyway, so yeah, so in the bottom here I have some papers, and I cut cut one of these to the size of the basket inside, and I used that as my base. So yeah, so that's that one. So I think it turned out pretty good. What do you think? Oh yeah, and back here, as you see, I got this from Temu, the little teddy bear with the rose. And back here I have some lip gloss, and I like the color of it to go with this concept, so I added that. So yeah, so that is this one here. So push that blue down in there a little more. Okay, so that is that one. My other one here, I really like this one too. I think this one turned out pretty good. So same Dollar Tree basket, and I used some of the Dollar Tree hearts and put the little crystals on them. Of course, a Dollar Tree teddy bear. Yeah, I got this from Dollar Tree. In here I also have the bath sponge. I have some candy. These candies came from one of the cups that I bought from the Dollar General. And what I did was, hold on. So it was one of these cups I bought from the Dollar General. I bought a few of these, and I just took the candy out and I used it in there as part of my concept. So again, we have the spa collection, and this one is the Cherry Blossom. I have here, this came from the Dollar Tree, the chocolate candy. I left that in the box. Of course, I have the Dollar Tree tumbler with the flowers and a heart right there. I think I'm going to secure that a little more. And I have the scalp massager from, I got that from Walmart the other day. I think they were on 75% off, 90% off. So I got a bunch of them for like, I think that there was like 30 some cents. So yeah, so that is this one. So we have that there. And of course I have the sponge rolls that I got from Temu. So that's this one here. I think it turned out pretty good. I like it. Yeah. So I'm gonna cut that down a little bit more. Okay. And let's take this tag off of here. There. Okay. So yeah, that's that one. I have another one. Okay. And this is the last one. Oh, getting caught here. This is the last one. I experimented with this here. Right here. Okay. So this one, a Dollar Tree basket, and I have some hearts here that I also got from the Dollar Tree. It was these little things right here. Came in a pack like this. So I got these from the Dollar Tree. So I took one out and I just cut it down to the size that I wanted for the basket. And I hot glued it on. So, yeah, that's the way that one turned out. And then I went ahead and put some crystals around it. And if you're wondering, I have a lot of these. When I say a lot, I have a lot. My daughter and I experimented with something for her wedding a few years back, and I held on to them because it was a lot of them. So I held on to them. I said, who knows, I might need them, use them again, and I think they're coming in handy for now that I'm doing these baskets. So yeah, so anyways, so that's that, along with the sponge roses from I got from Temu, another scalp massager, hairspray, and the Love Stock lotion, and also the butter in there. Along with that, I have the cup or tumbler, and of course another teddy bear from the Dollar Tree. So and here I put also I put in some mesh. I used my thread in there, and then I wanted to give this a little extra look, so I put in some mesh here. I think I might try and put that down a little more so that, yeah, so that would show. So I would have to, I might have to hot glue it, but yeah, I'll put that down a little more there. But yeah, so this is that concept. So tell me what you think about it. Do y'all like it? Is there anything that maybe I should change? But yeah. So like I said, I don't have to make, well, I guess I should make some more because I have quite a few, but I don't know how many they are. But I will make more baskets. But right now, these are the ones that I just did in the past couple days. But there are other ones from Christmas, like I said, that uh, I'm going to use. I just have to change the bows on some of them. And the ones that I shrink wrap, they most of them don't have any Christmas elements in them. So I can use those for Valentine Day and maybe even Mother's Day. Um, but right now I'm going to focus on, yeah, I'm going to focus on the Valentine. So that's all I have for today, y'all. So go ahead and tell me what you think about these. Uh, Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button. Help your girl get her numbers up. And oh, I'm at least 60. To me, that's a lot because a couple weeks back I was staggered at about 30 some. So I appreciate all of y'all who are subscribing to my channel. And I look forward to doing more videos. And I am going to do a live too soon, very soon, very soon. So I guess I'll have to schedule it. I think that's how they do it, in order for people to know you're going live. I'll have to schedule it. So I'll do one and see how that works. And it'll be my first one ever. So y'all hang tight with me. Okay, work with me. I'm trying to come up with a couple different things. I saw I think it's Right On Creation. She did something the other day with a design from I think it was Right On Creation, where she used, well, actually, I saw a couple of people where they used the little box, Dollar Tree box. They add embellishment to it, whatever they wanted to, and then they added the hearts um, backer to it, and then they added their products as they went along. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that next. But tell me what you think. So that's it for today, y'all. Thank you very much for stopping by, visiting my channel. I really appreciate it. And y'all have a wonderful and blessed rest of this wonderful Wednesday. We're over the hump, y'all. We're getting there. Moving on to Thursday. So thank you very much. God bless.